Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Madoka set. So it is not out yet, but it will be on the 31st, I think, of December, at around 12. Well, it's going to be 31st December at 12 a.m. my time. I don't know like when it's going to be out on your time. I think it could be out at like 12 p.m. For me, it's going to be out at 12 a.m. like right when New Year's start. So here is the reworked Madoka set. So cute, even though I did like the previous top before. And if you have purchased it before, you don't need to repurchase it again using the Dress to Impress currency. But if you have not purchased it, you're just going to go here, and then it should be here later on. I'll show you guys, like, if you want, you can follow the event here. Here's the time and date as well. Celebrate the new year in Dress to Impress with this cute set that they reworked. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!